In today's video, we're exploring the science and psychology of happiness. Join us as we reveal the surprising factors that can lead to a more fulfilling life. 1. The happiness set point theory. This theory suggests that each person has a baseline level of happiness, largely determined by genetics and personality traits. Think of it as your personal thermostat setting for mood and contentment. Research indicates that about 50% of our happiness set point is genetic. That's right, half of how happy you feel is programmed by your DNA. Personality factors, such as whether you're naturally optimistic or pessimistic, also play a significant role in shaping this baseline happiness. Now, you might wonder about the role of life's ups and downs. Common sense might say that positive events like getting a raise or negative events like experiencing a breakup would drastically change your happiness levels. However, studies show that these occurrences have surprisingly little long-term impact on our overall well-being. For instance, a landmark study observed that lottery winners and accident victims both returned to their pre-event happiness levels after a relatively short period. This phenomenon is known as hedonic adaptation. Essentially, we adjust to changes much quicker than expected. What this means is that seeking happiness solely through external changes, like increased income or improved living conditions, might not be as effective as we think. Instead, understanding and possibly adjusting our happiness set point through practices like mindfulness or therapy could offer more sustainable paths to happiness. 2. The role of relationships. Let's explore how deep, meaningful relationships impact our happiness far more significantly than we might think. It's not the number of friends you have or how extensive your social networks are that truly matters. Instead, the quality of those relationships plays a crucial role in long-term happiness. Studies consistently show that strong, supportive relationships are a key determinant of psychological well-being. For example, research from the Harvard Study of Adult Development, one of the longest-running studies of human happiness, reveals that individuals who have satisfying relationships with family, friends, and their community are happier, suffer fewer health problems, and live longer. In contrast, superficial interactions and a broader social network might provide temporary boosts of happiness, but they don't offer the same lasting effects. This difference is because deep relationships provide emotional support, which helps us cope with stress and anxiety. They also foster a sense of belonging and purpose, which are crucial for psychological health. Moreover, engaging in meaningful interactions with others triggers the release of oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, which enhances mood and overall well-being. This biological response underscores the importance of quality over quantity in our social connections. So, if you're looking to improve your happiness, focus on cultivating deeper, more meaningful relationships rather than expanding your social circle. 3. Impact of physical activity on mental health. Now, let's talk about how regular physical activity influences our mental health. Engaging in exercise isn't just about physical fitness. It's also a powerful means to boost your mood and enhance overall well-being. Exercise prompts the body to release chemicals like endorphins and serotonin. Endorphins are often referred to as the body's natural painkillers because they interact with brain receptors to reduce pain perception and create a positive feeling in the body, similar to that of morphine. Meanwhile, serotonin plays a key role in stabilizing our mood, feelings of well-being, and happiness. This neurochemical not only helps with sleeping, eating, and digesting, but also helps reduce depression, regulate anxiety, and alleviate other mental health issues. The impact of exercise on mental health is profound. It not only helps manage stress, but also improves brain function, enhances concentration, and helps manage depression and anxiety. Whether it's a brisk walk, a cycle ride, or a yoga session, incorporating physical activities into your daily routine can significantly boost your mental health. 4. Mindfulness and mental presence. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment, aware of where we are and what we're doing, without being overly reactive or overwhelmed by what's going on around us. Scientific research supports the numerous benefits of mindfulness. Studies have shown that mindfulness meditation can significantly reduce stress, anxiety, and symptoms associated with depression, PTSD, and chronic pain. Regular practice can also improve your mood, increase brain function, and enhance emotional resilience. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine doesn't need to be complicated. Here are some practical ways to get started. 1. Dedicated meditation time. Spend a few minutes each day in meditation. Apps like Headspace or Calm can guide you through the process. 2. Mindful eating. Pay attention to the taste, texture, and sensations of your food. Eat slowly and savor each bite, which can improve digestion and signal when you are full. 3. Mindful walking. Use a routine walk as an opportunity to concentrate on the experience of walking, noticing the sensation of your feet touching the ground and the sounds around you. 4. Breathing exercises. Practice deep breathing techniques, focusing solely on your breath to help center your mind. 5. Observation moments. Pick an object you see every day and spend a couple of minutes observing it. Notice every detail about it as if you're seeing it for the first time. These practices can anchor you in the present moment and significantly reduce feelings of stress and anxiety, enhancing your overall mental health. 5. The power of altruism and gratitude. Helping others and being grateful aren't just noble traits. They are also key factors in boosting our own psychological well-being. Engaging in acts of kindness and expressing gratitude consistently lead to an increase in happiness. This is backed by research. For example, a study published recently found that participants who performed acts of kindness over a 6-week period reported significantly higher levels of happiness than those who didn't. These activities trigger the release of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that stabilizes mood, feelings of well-being, and happiness. Practicing gratitude is equally powerful. By regularly acknowledging things you are thankful for, you not only enhance your positivity, but also improve your mental health. This practice is associated with a greater sense of satisfaction and a reduction in symptoms of depression. People who write gratitude journals show considerable improvements in overall mental health as compared to those who focus on the hurdles they face. To practice altruism and gratitude, here are a couple of easy things you can try. For gratitude, every night, write down 3 things you were thankful for that day. For altruism, challenge yourself to do something nice for someone else daily, without expecting anything in return. These simple acts can dramatically lift your spirits and improve your emotional stability. 6. Challenging the myth of material success. While financial stability is crucial, beyond meeting your basic needs, accumulating more wealth does not equate to a proportional increase in happiness. Research in the field of positive psychology consistently shows that once basic needs are met, additional income yields diminishing returns on happiness. This phenomenon is due to a concept known as hedonic adaptation. Essentially, people quickly adjust to changes in their lives, including positive changes like salary increases or luxury purchases. The initial joy sparked by these acquisitions fades rapidly, and the baseline level of happiness remains unchanged. This adjustment leads individuals to chase higher and higher gains in wealth, mistakenly believing it will bring them substantial happiness, a cycle known as the hedonic treadmill. Instead of focusing on accumulating wealth, focus on enriching experiences that enhance life satisfaction. Spend on activities that allow you to grow, learn, and create memories. Cultivating deep, meaningful connections with others are far more rewarding than material possessions. Engage in pursuits that align with your values and passions, rather than just increasing your wealth. Here's a bonus tip that can significantly enhance your happiness. Introduce new and varied experiences into your life. The key is novelty. Regularly integrating new experiences into your life can continually reset the hedonic treadmill. By constantly exposing yourself to new stimuli, you prevent your happiness from plateauing. These could be as simple as trying a new hobby, traveling to a new place, learning a new skill, or even changing your daily routines. Studies show that people who engage in a variety of experiences are more likely to retain positive emotions and minimize negative ones than people who have fewer experiences. A diverse life stimulates the brain and prevents the boredom and dissatisfaction that come with routine. To put this into practice, explore different hobbies that challenge you, rearrange your living space, or take different routes to work, and understand that every trip is an opportunity to experience new cultures and perspectives. By keeping your life varied and interesting, you're more likely to maintain higher levels of happiness. Give it a try and see how much more vibrant your life can feel. Ready for more psychology insights? Discover how gratitude can actually change your brain chemistry. Or learn about the impact childhood experiences have on adult relationships. Make your choice and continue on this journey of discovery. Thanks for watching.